All right. Okay, we're going to need a countdown from 10 to send these cars away. Who's ready to help me? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's play Demolition Derby. Oh, this track is slippery. Oh, yeah. Oh, here we go. I'll slide out of the way. Demolition Derby is on. Oh, that was solid impact. 408. Oh, have a little problems getting the car to go. There he goes. Oh! Just give her sandwich in the middle. That's what they get for bringing out that creepy clown. Oh! Oh, that sounded like it hurt. Uh-oh! Oh! Oh, yeah! Here we go! Look out! Whoa! Hey, who parked that ambulance over there? You better be careful. Somebody should put some fuel in the tow truck. Still 3 cars playing Demolition Derby here at Flamboro Speedway. Look out! Oh! Oh! Swing and a miss, as they say. Oh, a little brake stop. I can tell you, John is not going to have fun repairing this grass. Hey, how's it going? A little busy? Where are you going? The play's over here. Oh! Oh, good hit there. That clown is still creeping me out. Oh, yeah. Oh, that might have been a tire popper. Come on, fans, make some noise. Still 3 cars. Demolition Derby. Oh, you're not supposed to hit the wall. Oh, we'll let it slide. Oh, slow down. They are just giving her, as they say. Oh. Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. There we go, still 3-car Demolition Derby. Oh! 408 may be on the clock here. Oh! All right, 408, 409, whatever you want to call that. He's on the clock. See if he can get it re-going. Oh, big hit! Big hit! Oh! Don't worry, it's just a backfire. 408 still on the clock. Look out! Hey, keep it this way! Oh! Oh! 408's done! 408's done! 2-car Demolition Derby! Make some noise, fans! 2-car Demolition Derby! Oh, we have taken it to the grass. Keep it over here! I ain't getting out there to tell them that. Oh, yeah! That clown still creeps me out. All right, 2-car Demolition Derby. Oh, look out. car comes home with the win. Final here. Winner, Demolition Derby. Well, I'm stepping on a lot of stuff down here. He's going to unbuckle the helmet. As he climbs in the car, fans, put your hands together for your demo winner, Ben. Hugs all around there from Ben. Well, Ben, how was that?
Great.
You want to? How was the water? Was it a nice addition?
Slippery.
You guys took to the grass there for a little bit. How was the terrain over on the grass side?
Much better.
There you go, fans. How about a round of applause for Ben picking up the win here in the Demo Derby? From all of us here at Flamboro Speedway, we want to thank you for coming out here to our Halloween Enduro. If you want to come over and check out some cars, we're going to open up the crossover gate. Again, we want to thank everybody for a fantastic 2023 season. From all of us here at Flamboro Speedway, Gary Calling, Tim Norris, John and Frank Caselli, everybody that's made 2023 the season that it was. We want to say thank you. Thanks for all the fans for joining us here this season at Flamboro Speedway. Drive home safe. Have a fantastic off season, and we'll see you next year here at Flamboro Speedway.